Congratulations on completing 30 days of SQL learning. You now understand queries, filters, joins, functions, and concepts. But real confidence in SQL comes from applying it to real systems. That's why from day 31 to day 40, we move into complete SQL case studies. You will work with real world scenarios like e commerce sales, hospital management, banking systems, inventory, airlines, retail stores, hotels, and universities. Each case study will teach you how to think like a database professional, designing tables, writing meaningful queries, and solving real business problems. This final 10-day journey will transform your SQL knowledge into real world skill. By day 40, you will not just know SQL, you will be ready to use it with confidence. Let us begin the final chapter of your SQL mastery. Welcome to day 40. Congratulations on completing this journey. Today is your final project where you will combine all the SQL concepts you have learned into one real world scenario. Our final project uses an e commerce database with the customers' orders, products, payments, and reviews. You will apply joins, aggregations, subqueries, CTEs, window functions, views, and transactions. First, generate customer insights. Find the top 10 customers by spending. Show customers with the average order value above 5,000 and create a view for loyal customers with at least 5 orders. Next, analyze products. Rank products by sales volume. Show categories with revenue above 100,000 and create a view for top rated products. For revenue and transactions, aggregate monthly revenue, compare current month with the previous month using lag, and write a transaction for refund processing. Now, apply advanced queries. Use a subquery to find customers spending above the overall average. Use a CTE to simplify reporting and combine multiple CTEs for insights. In your demo, practice step-by-step query building in SQL Server Management Studio. Test and refine results until you get accurate insights. Here are mini challenges. Find the top 3 regions by revenue. Show customers with pending payments. Create a view for monthly sales trends and write a transaction for new order placement. You did it. You have mastered SQL basics through advanced concepts, applied them in real world case studies, and completed a final project. You are now ready for your next journey, whether that's SQL Server, ASP.NET, or data science. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing daily. Explore advanced topics like stored procedures, triggers, and optimization, and share your projects with the community.